Hey everyone, welcome back to another update. So today, nicehash started working again, and I've started using this instead of mining Vertcoin with the one-click miner and the Electrum wallet I was using. I made about 6.6 actually, because don't worry about that, 6.6 Vertcoins, which if I were to check the current price of Vertcoin would be 6.6, about $62. So I made a little bit. Although with nicehash, I'm making about if I factor in also my laptop over here that I'm also using to mine, so that's making me about 69 cents. Although I'm not sure if this is factoring electricity, but I don't really pay for electricity that much because I'm only 15. I'm living with my parents, and I'm not really sure how that would really go. But I can always reimburse my parents a little bit. But I basically have almost free electricity. I mean. And my graphics card was a birthday present for good grades and stuff. So right now my nicehash is making me about $7.21 with my 1080 Ti here, which is more than I was making a day with mining Vertcoin. For example, mining Vertcoin a day, I was making about 0.74-ish, and that was about $7 a day. Although now with nicehash, I'm making about like $9 a day, $8 a day. So it's a bit more, and I kind of like nicehash a bit more. It's a lot easier to use, and I think it's using my CPU too, which I have an i7 6800K in there, and then I always got to show my glorious PC gaming master race right here. Let me see. If I show you basically this, I'm getting a little bit tiny more hash rate than I was using with Lyra 2, using the one-click miner to mine Vertcoin. I was getting about 70-ish using one-click miner and about 72.5 it looks like here, and I've gotten no rejected shares yet, as you can see, and my Wi-Fi is pretty good. I'm just using Comcast, and I live like around in Seattle, so I don't really have horrible connection. And I live in like a city and stuff, so this is going pretty well. It looks like sometimes it changes its algorithm, especially on my laptop, which seems to have turned off. Look at this cool keyboard. But this one is using something called it's gone from Crypto Night to Lyra to this other thing, and now to like Blake 2S, which seems to be getting 736 mega hashes a second. So there's that. And I've made about 24 cents it looks like, and I've been using nicehash for maybe half an hour, and it's pretty good. So what else can I show? That's basically an update for today. You know, I mean, I think I'll wait on Vertcoin to kind of go up a little bit more, because right now it being at $9.50, it's up there, but Bitcoin kind of is changing a lot more. And what else I'm doing, which is also pretty big, is I'm trading cryptocurrency. Right now I'm using Binance because I kind of like the way it looks, and I've made also here's when I was using the one-click miner thing still. I bought like a ton of Tron. I didn't really go anywhere, so then I changed that to what was it, Verge yesterday, which went up like 170% or something like that. And then just as that started going lower, I traded that into Ripple, which went from like 0.78 cents to $1.15. In fact, where can I check that price? I'll just show it another time. But actually, why don't I check right now? I take a look at Ripple's price. That went up, oh yeah, $1.14, 15, whatever. And so I made a lot of that, and then I changed some of that to Monero, which for some reason Binance suspended Monero, and I'm waiting for it to unsuspend so I can buy Tron again because it's going up quite a bit. So yeah, that's basically day 8, 9-ish of mining. So I got nicehash with my 1080 Ti and my laptop over here, and I don't know if I should buy a 1060 graphics card to use with my 1080 Ti over here, because the 1060 used is like, I think like $250-ish, and I could pay it off within like a few months. but I'm not sure. I'm kind of happy with my current setup though. So yeah, that's basically it for today's episode. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe.